Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Stephanie Ndlovu and Uhongani. Okay, yes, it's still Stephanie Ndlovu, but they are currently divorcing. And Hungani Ndlovu have confirmed their divorce, that they are currently divorcing. They have confirmed the rumors that they are currently divorcing. They shared a statement on social media to confirm their divorce because it has been doing rounds. People have been saying this, but they didn't confirm or say anything. So they shared the statement to confirm that they are currently divorcing and they are hoping to continue as friends, raise their daughter in peace and whatnot. So I'm just going to go ahead and read you the statement that they shared to confirm the divorce. It says, we'd like to take a moment to address the speculation surrounding our relationship. After much thought, reflection, and conversations, we have mutually decided to part ways and end our marriage. While we had hoped to share this news at a time that felt right for us, the unfortunate early release by the media has prompted us to speak sooner than we had planned. Though our marriage is ending, our friendship is not. We are committed to showing up as united, or we are committed to showing up as a united team for our beautiful daughter. So people have been like having different opinions about this. People have been saying they are not even friends at all. And also looking at their videos, you can see this was going to end in tears anyways. And then also Nopenuel Nai had something to say. People must stop getting married and wasting everyone's time. They should just stay single, just like that.